Hola amigos, and let's finish our episode. Dora the Explorer, the big storm. I would say, what do next? Dora say, Posh, forest, Dora's house, mi casa. We went around the bush, so next comes the naughty forest, Dora. Dora said, the forest, Dora, the naughty forest. Do you see the naughty forest? Yes, Dora, teeth. Dora said, right, there it is. Toot! I would say, watch out for the big storm cloud. Dora si cuidado con la nube de tormenta. I would say, look, Dora, it's Billy. Dora si, Billy, you've gotta get inside. There is the big storm cloud coming and he's going to try and rain on you. Billy said, that's why I built this new house, so I'll be safe from the storm. I would say, I think there is something wrong with Billy's new house. Billy said, what's wrong with my new house? It's too small, Billy. Billy said, too small? Here, watch this. Just give me a second here, I can fit. You were right, it was too small. And then I say, oh Billy, don't worry, we'll build you a new house. I will say, so you'll be safe from the storm. And then I say, will you help Billy build a new house? Yes, Dora. Dora said, great. Billy's house can be bigger and ready so he can fit inside. First, we had to find pieces of wood that are taller than Billy. Billy is this tall. Is this piece taller than Billy? No, Dora. Dora said, no, that piece is shorter than Billy. Is this piece taller than Billy? Yes, Dora. Dora said, right. What other pieces are taller than Billy? Teet, teet, teet. Dora said, good, misery. Now we need to find pieces of wood that are wider than Billy. Billy is this way. Is this piece wider than Billy? No, Dora. Dora said, no, it's too narrow. Is this piece wider than Billy? Yes, Dora. Dora said, right. What other pieces are wider than Billy? Teet, 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 teet. Dora said, you found the wet pieces. Now we need to put on the roof. Which roof is just the right size? Teet. Dora said, yeah, it fits. You did it. You built a house for Billy. But it's unlocked. Billy can't fit inside. Billy said, thanks for building me a new house. Now I'll be safe from the big storm cloud. Dora said, that sounds like Swapper the Fox. I would say, that sneaky fox is always trying to swap our stuff. Dora said, if you see Swapper the Fox hiding around here, say Swapper. Do you see Swapper? Yes, Dora. And you all see Swapper. Zip! You're too late. You'll never find her off now. Ha 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 ha. Billy said, oh no, now the big storm cloud's gonna rain on me. And Dora said, don't worry, Billy, we'll find your roof. Will you help Billy find his roof before the big storm cloud comes? Yes, Dora. Dora said, great. The roof was a red triangle, so let's look for all the red triangles. Here is a red triangle. It is Billy's roof. No, Dora. Dora said, that's a butterfly. Here is a red triangle. It is Billy's roof. No, Dora. Dora said, it is an anthill. Here is a red triangle. It is Billy's roof. Yes, Dora. Teet. Dora said, right. It is the roof. You found Billy's roof. Smart looking. Billy said, guys, I really need that roof. I would see it's coming, Billy. Here it comes. Billy said, phew. Dora said, come on, let's make this storm go away. And let's sing with Billy. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Big storm cloud said, whoa, I'll be back. Toot. Tico said, ayúdame, ayúdame. I would say that's Tico the square. Dora said, it sounds like he's in trouble. I would say, oh no, look, the big storm cloud chasing Tico into the naughty forest. Dora said, we had to help Tico get home safe to his tree. Dora say, do you see Tico's tree? Teeth. Dora say, right, you have to tell Tico which path to take to stay away from the big storm cloud. When Tico should take the red path, say rojo. When Tico should take the blue path, say azul. Which path should Tico take? Tico say rojo, azul, rojo, azul, rojo. Dora say rojo, right. You took the red path. Now which path should Tico take? Tico say rojo, azul, rojo, azul, azul. Dora say azul, right. Tico say rojo, azul, rojo, azul, rojo. Dora say rojo, you did it. You got Tico home safe from the storm. Abutsi, you really got at speaking Spanish. Big storm cloud say woo. Tico say gracias. Dora say de nada. Dora say let's make the storm go away. Let's sing. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Big storm cloud say whoa. Adios, yay. Storm cloud say I'll be back. The three of us stop here and play happy tune. Dora say we made it through the naughty forest. I would say what do next? Dora say Posh, forest, Dora's house, mi casa. We went out of the bush. We went through the naughty forest. So next comes the Dora's house. I would say Dora's house. Dora say mi casa, right? Do you see mi casa? Yes, Dora teeth. I would say yeah, there it is. Dora say come on, vámonos. And let's get home fast. Dora say wow, this wind is getting strong. I would say look at me, Dora, I'm flying. Dora say the wind is too strong. I can't pull the gate open. I would say me neither. Dora say we need your help to pull open the gate. Put your hands out in front of you and pull. Pull, pull, pull harder. Pull, pull, pull. You did it. Good pulling. Dora say mama, mama. Mama say Dora boots. Come on, you two. And let's go inside so we can go snug and safe. Dora say mama, the big storm cloud tried to rain on everyone in the forest. I would say, but we've warned them. Dora say, and nobody got to wait. Mama, is this chocolate? Mama say, see, I thought you might want some to warm you up after your big adventure with the rain cloud. Dora say, Dora say, Rico. Big storm cloud say, rain, rain, rain. But see, hey, Dora, look, here comes the big storm cloud. Mama say, don't worry, he can't get you wet in here. Mama say, see the storm. Dora say, come on, let's make the storm go away. If everyone sing the big storm cloud, will go away for good. Sing with us. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Big storm say woo, I won't be back. Dora say the storm cloud is gone for good. Yay! Mama say now wait until you see what happens. But see what? Mama say después de la lluvia se el sol. Dora say you always see that, Mama. After the rain comes the sun. But see here it comes. Yay! Ooh! Dora say a rainbow. Mama see or arco-iris. Dora say Mama, it's beautiful. Mama say que bello. Dora say we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Ya lo hicimos. We did it. We went around the red bush under the naughty forest. Yeah, we did it, we did it, we did it, hooray. We warned our friend and didn't get wet. Yeah, we did it, we did it, we did it. We stopped the storm cloud along the way. We sang rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Yeah, woohoo, hooray, we did it, woohoo. Did I see we had just an exciting trip today? What was your favorite part of the trip? I like that too. I would say my favorite part was blowing the horn. Toot! Did I see my favorite part was seeing the rain, rain go away? Did I see my favorite part was seeing rain, rain go away? Come again some other day. We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for helping. We did it! Thanks to you, Dora and Moose won all the fun just in time before the big storm. Everyone stay safe, and when the rain starts, a beautiful rainbow appears across the sky. Dora and Moose dance and share like Simos. We did it! Thank you for helping today, my friend. Bye bye.